Hi guys. One of my commenters of my last video said, it's good to know that Mark Cuban is doing something, he's day trading with cryptocurrencies, but how do I do that? How do I follow in his footsteps? Can you provide me a step-by-step tutorial for doing exactly what Mark Cuban is doing? And so the answer is yes, I can do that. Again, this is not something that I would do. This is more like a day trading strategy. Um, what I do is typically more long-term investing. I try to make investing boring, especially in these volatile markets. This kind of volatility that we're seeing with the Titan token is way too volatile for my liking. It's a more akin to gambling than anything else. But as we see Mark Cuban's Polygon wallet, he's got $6.5 million in it this morning or today. Last night, the Titan token was at $65, and currently it's like $1.50 maybe. I don't know. It's incredibly low. I think I see it at $1.62 here. One Titan equals $1.62. That's incredible when last night it was $65 per token. So let me take you step by step through how you would do exactly what Mark Cuban is doing. Again, we can take a look at his wallet, and what he's doing is he's staking MATIC Titan on SushiSwap. So that's pretty easy to do. He's got 3.8 million, $3,899,000 in this one thing, MATIC Titan. And he's probably going to make good money because you make money on these things when the token increases in price. So if the token goes from $2 to $60, you're going to make tons of money on that appreciation in price. But again, this kind of volatility, you have to watch it very closely, and as soon as it starts to go the other direction, you need to get out quickly. But let's take and again, when you're providing liquidity, we take a look at Mark Cuban's liquidity providing. On this one, he lost $118,000, and the reason why is because the price of Quick went down. On this one, MATIC Titan, he gained $586,000, but the reason why is because the price of Titan and the price of MATIC increased. So when he entered the pool, the price of MATIC was $1.35. When he exited, it was $1.54. When he entered, the price of Titan was $25.50. When he exited, the price of Titan was $40. So again, both of the tokens saw appreciation. He went in with 1.2 million, came out with 1.8 million, made a very nice profit on that. But again, this kind of volatility is something that I'm not really prepared for. You can purchase Titan on QuickSwap. Currently, it says it's going for $1.30. $1.36 per Titan. If we purchase it on 1 inch, it looks like $1.39. But I'll go ahead and buy $100 worth of Titan just to show you how to do it. So you can swap the token, confirm the swap. I'll have to sign the transaction, add a little bit more gas. So I'm buying some Titan, just $100 worth, just to show you guys how it's done. Again, not an investment that I would be interested in doing because it's way too risky for me. So we're waiting now for the transaction to be confirmed. Apparently Polygon is pretty busy today, so the transactions are taking a while. So I don't know how slow this video is going to be, but you can see the transaction is pending. But if I wait for the confirmations and all that, this video is going to be very, very long. But as soon as you buy some MATIC and as soon as you buy some Titan, we can go to SushiSwap and we can provide liquidity. So what we're going to be doing is providing liquidity on MATIC. So we find MATIC and then we select a token. We call this Titan. So sometimes you have to add the token on SushiSwap because it doesn't even have the token automatically in the list. But we can try it on QuickSwap as well, adding liquidity. Oh, well, I guess you can't add liquidity on, let's try, here we go. Let's try to add it here. So we go, let's choose the Titan token. It is on QuickSwap. So let's do 2 MATIC, and the input is going to be 2.2 Titan, and it says insufficient Titan balance because this order is still pending. Wow, it's taking forever. I attempted to buy $100 worth of Titan on 1inch platform, and so I don't have any Titan in my current wallet. But again, if the price of Titan goes way up in value, which again last night it was $65, so there's no reason why it wouldn't creep up. I can't believe it dropped all the way to $1. I don't know, $1.20 or whatever it was. But once you create a liquidity token, all you do is in the SushiSwap area is you go to the sushi bar, or well, actually all you do is you add the liquidity, and you're a liquidity provider. You don't need to deposit it anywhere. There are places that you can deposit if you want to deposit on Polycat, for example. One of the disadvantages of depositing, so we can look here and we can see vaults, and we can look for MATIC Titan, and we see it here. It's on SushiSwap, and so we can go to Sushi and select the token MATIC, and I don't know why it's not appearing here. Titan, I'm gonna have to add the token. A lot of times when you go to it from here, it will automatically populate what tokens there are, but because see, it has the contract addresses here. So let's try to, oh, I see. The reason why it's not populating is because my wallet is not connected. So let me go ahead and connect my wallet to SushiSwap. Okay, now we see it. Okay, that was the problem. Sorry, guys. And I'm still waiting on 1inch to create that order. It's still pending. Wow. So this is very unusual. It says the transaction is on the secondary node and it should be picked up by the indexer shortly. We've been waiting a while for this to happen. But as soon as it is, here's how to add liquidity. All we do is select the Titan. Oh, man. Add liquidity, Titan. So we select how much MATIC that we want to put in there, and then we select the corresponding amount of Titan. And again, the cost of Titan is less than the cost of MATIC right now. The cost of Titan is $1.30, $1.32, or it's 1.32 Titan per MATIC. which is incredibly low, but I don't have any Titan in my account right now because I'm still waiting for the order confirmation. And when that comes in, I can create the liquidity token. But anyway, guys, that's really all there is to it. You purchase some MATIC, you purchase some Titan, you go on to the SushiSwap and add liquidity, and then that's basically all you have to do. Now you can take the token once it's in your wallet, the liquidity token, and you can enable this and deposit it in this account. But one of the problems with that is that if you're in and out of this quickly, then they're going to charge you a 1% withdrawal fee. And so guys like Mark Cuban don't use Polycat Finance or anything like it because the fees are too high. And by the way, they're constantly monitoring the price of these tokens, and if the price of the token goes down, then they're definitely going to be out of that trade very, very quickly. So again, if the price is increasing, the price of MATIC, the price of Titan is going up, it's a win-win situation. You're going to make a lot of money providing liquidity, but it's all based on the price of the token. It's not about earning interest on our fees on liquidity. It's just basically taking advantage of the price action of the Titan token. And it looks like I'm not going to be allowed to purchase any because it is taking forever. I guess the network is very saturated because it's not allowing me to buy any Titan on the MATIC network. My transaction is still pending. Okay guys, I guess that's all I wanted to share with you. Be cautious, be careful when investing in these kind of things because you know, it looks like it's an attractive thing, but the price action is way too volatile. Going from $65 down to less than $2 in less than 24 hours. Wow, that's way, way volatile. But I suppose it can go from $2 back to 65 in 24 hours. I do know this, that if you watch Mark Cuban and his day trading, kind of crypto day trading, he is in and out very, very quickly. And he certainly doesn't go to sleep with this, letting it ride on $3 million or $5 million or however much he has in there. Let's take a look again. He's got $4 million, almost $4 million staked in MATIC Titan. I guarantee you he doesn't go to sleep with that in there. He's watching the price of Titan very, very, very carefully. He's watching the price of MATIC, and if either of them start slipping in the other direction, he's out. And he's definitely going to cash out before he goes to bed. He's going to let it ride for, I don't know, 8 hours maybe. If the price continues to go up, he's going to let it ride for 10 hours, 12 hours. But then before he goes to bed or at the end of the day, he's going to be cashed out of this, and all that money is going to be back in his wallet. He's going to be converting the Titan back into USDC. He's going to be getting out of Titan because it's way too volatile. You can't go to sleep on Titan because it's way too volatile of an asset. Okay guys, if you like this content, please hit the thumbs up button. I'm resurrecting this channel after being on hiatus for about 4 years, so I'd appreciate it if you'd help me promote the channel by subscribing. If you subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'm going to try to post a video every couple of days. And also leave a comment or question. I do read all the comments, and I'm going to make a point to respond to each and every comment personally and answer every question personally in the year 2021. That's my goal and commitment to help grow the channel. Okay guys, I hope I've been of some help to you and yours. All the best.